Today I'm working on my 2002 Chevy S10. This truck has a P0135 Bank1 Sensor1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the oxygen sensor. And the oxygen sensor is located right in the driver's side. And you're gonna look down and it's right there. This is one of the easiest ones to replace. But before that, I went to the auto part and they keep giving me this oxygen sensor. It looks way different. The wires is different. And this is the part number. It does not look like the same one that's down there. But they say if it doesn't work, to replace it back. They kept looking it up and this one kept coming up. So I purchased it. Also what I did was I added some PB Blaster. I left it overnight because you know the oxygen sensor sometimes is hard to remove. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it. We're gonna go under the car. I'm not jacking it up. The truck is high enough and I'm a little guy. So let's replace it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna push this little thing up right here to disconnect it. Oh, it's loose. I didn't even need a screwdriver for that. And then we're just gonna push it up and disconnect the wire. Let's see how we disconnect this wire. Okay, so disconnect it. So what I did was just right in here, has like this little plastic thing, you gotta push it back. And here it goes. Now we're gonna disconnect the oxygen sensor. This is my favorite one here. Ooh. There he goes. Put the new one in. I added some anti-seize on it. What we're gonna do is just okay. And I feel it nice and tight. I leave it alone. Now we gotta connect the wire. And you just push it in, and it goes in. And then make sure you put this thing on this hole here. It's right in. And that's about it. You have replaced your oxygen sensor on your 2002 Chevy S10. Later.